Hello and welcome to all the readers. Today, we are going to explore what is going on at the top of the Hut Gang. Written by Kath Jones. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. This is the top of the Hut Gang. Tafazil, Yadid, and Effet. Azan is not in the gang. Can I join the top of the Hut Gang? Yes, you can. Join us now. But hang on, Azan is big. How can he get on the top of the hut? How can Azan join the gang? Azan, you cannot get onto the top of the hut. This is such bad luck, Azan. You cannot join the gang. Down in the hut, Azan is sad. How can Azan join Tafazil, Yadid, and Effet? How can I get up onto the hut? Azan got a cannon. Then Azan got a helmet. The top of the hut is the target. Will Azan get to the top? Bang, pow, then, thud, Azan hit Tafazil. Yadid fell off the top of the hut. Effet got a hiccup. Effet fell off the hut as well. Haha, such fun.